Alright, you wanted to hear it growl, huh? It is quite a bit louder on the outside, but not so loud on the inside, so here it goes. I did that in under 12 minutes. I'm rather surprised. I had 31 bales on there. No, yeah, 31 bales. I've tucked my machine away so it can't be seen too easily. And now all I'm going to do, and this Peterbilt is dirty, it needs a bath. But now all I'm going to do is throw a couple straps over everything here. 2 on the front, 1 down the rest, and I'm going to head on out of here. So, I don't know. Yeah, I guess there's really no point in viewing me chuck straps, no? It doesn't really matter, but anyways, yeah, that's it. So the load's loaded, machine's there. Hope you could hear the noise that it made. I don't hear all that racket on the inside of the cab because the cab is, for one thing, it's insulated. Well, for two things, it's insulated, and the noise goes right up the pipe. But anyways, yeah, the thing is running immaculate. It's running great. Better fuel economy. And that car has been sitting there all day. I'm getting better fuel economy out of it too. I know I had a couple comments that you guys were like, oh my god, it's going to build up all kinds of heat because you took the muffler away. Well, that's the exact opposite of what a muffler, what taking the muffler away has done. It allows the machine to breathe better. Turbocharger can spin freer, faster, creating more pressure onto the intake side of the machine and allowing higher airflow through the machine because of that cold air induction in the exhaust pipe. And no, I do not need a rain cap because there's a gap about that far all the way around that whole entire exhaust pipe where it jets the hot exhaust into the pipe and pulls cold air in, and it doesn't need a rain cap because the rain falls right along the outside of it. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.